Empaka z'ekikopo ky'amahanga ga Africa ekya African Cup of Nations ekiri kuza kubaho omu mwaka gw'2027 niza kutebeekanisibwa omu mahanga garimu Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania kandi ekishayi kya Hoima City Stadium kiteekateekwa kugira ngu nihaza kuzaniraho emipiira etari emwe n'emwe. Omu nteekateeka eziri kugyenda omu maisho, gavumenti ya Uganda yoriyo neegyezaho kureba ngu yatunguura kandi yahangusya ebyo ebiriza kuyambaho abantu okukozesa nk'oku oriyo neyombeka amarwariro okureba ngu abantu batunga obuheereza burungi omu tonamenti yaanegyenda omu maisho kandi na bwanyuma yayo kuhwa. Bimwe aha bintu ebirikwata aha magara ebiriyo nibikorwa n'okutaho nka emergency accident complex aha Hoima Regional Referral Hospital, okuhangusya irwariro rya Buseru Health Center 3 kuza aha rurengo rwa Health Center ya 4 kandi n'okugarukamu okwombeka n'okuhunduuza irwariro erya Masindi General Hospital. Omu muringo nigwo gumwe obwabire naatongozaho okwombeka amarwariro aga Orienganzi y'ihanga Prime Minister Right Honorable Robin Nabanja ashoborere ngo kwombeka amarwariro aga nikiza kuhereza obuhereza bw'amagara byatunguka obwo ekikopo ky'empaka za Africa kyakiri nikigenda omu maisho.
Upgrade of Hoima Referral Hospital, including the construction of an intensive care unit, the regional blood bank, and the new oxygen plant. And now I'm pleased to join you for the commissioning or launching of the works to upgrade Buseruka Health Center 3 to Health Center 4.
State Minister w'ebyemizano Peter Ogwang hashoborere ngo kugarurahura no kuhunduza emyanya egi kyemeye kuba nkikorwa omu kanya bwanya akyo kugira ngo kiza kuyamba amahangaga okugara kwatanise kandi gakatebeekanisa ekikopo kya African Cup of Nations.
We have ticked the box of the stadium club for government, you the people of Bunyoro. We are now here today to tick the box for having emergency and accident unit.
Kandi we Dr. Charles Ayume or State Minister for Primary Health Care hayongere yashoborera ngu ebyombeko nk'ebyaheza kuterera nabiza kuba nibiyamba okutungura ebyamagara omu ihanga lyona.
Right Honorable Prime Minister, that to build a new hospital from scratch to finish is about 60 billion shillings. But we have given you 58 for renovation, meaning the quality of work we are going to do here for construction and equipment is world class.
Ebyo bikiri yaho Dr. Ibrahim Mbwaga or Director w'irwariro erya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital asimire government abo kuteekateeka okureba ngu yayombeka emergency and accident complex ahirwariro ndyo rumwe.
So I also wish to thank the Ministry of Health for their unwavering support towards this milestone. It has not come easily. We have been in the press, in the media, but we want to thank the ministry and government of Uganda for this.
Abebembezi hamwe n'abantu bakuru omu kicweka kya Bunyoro bashoborere ngo kwombeka amarwariro aga nikiza kuyamba abantu okukuragye kandi n'okureba ngu eby'amagara byateebwa omu nkora.
Eirwaro erinde riri harulengo rwa almost at least Health Center 4 eri hamutindo ekusobora kukoraho Assyrian mothers nosanga omuntu akuruga harayira nibamutindika orugendo kugenda aboma
bwire buntu bayitusemeza ate untwaire hantu tujja kufuna theater ya kabiri nikimanyisa referrals zigenda Hoima Regional Referral Hospital zijja kendeera kandi tujja kuba twesemereza abakazi bayitu kulungi fito and maternal mortality rates zijja kendeera kimu hansi abokuba abakazi bagamba siriko omwana wangu yekikire mwana nibamusemereza hano.
Gashakwa Gadasaba na Innocent Tuganyira habwa Tayari West.